Hello students, this is Professor Lakdawala and today I am going to teach you in shares and dividend how to solve a question where the sell proceed comes. Yes students, I know like you find it very difficult, but don't worry, like I'll make it very easy for you, right? On your screen you can also see the question, like so you all just have to know the question, right? So already it is there on your screen. Now in this question I'll be just writing the given, like what things they have given. Okay, there is a Mr. Chandra, like she is investment, right? So there is an investment of 19,200 rupees is an investment, okay, in a shares who is giving 15% dividend. So the dividend percent is 15%, right? The face value of the share is given as 100 rupees, right? And the shares are getting at a discount of 20%, right? Like this, she is investing 19,200 in 15% rupees 100 shares at 20% discount, right? So the market value of the shares will be 20% discount. So it will be 100 minus 20% of 100. So it is 100 minus 20. So your market value is rupees 80. Okay? Now here what they're telling, after a year she's selling the shares at rupees 90. Correct? Now at what price she bought the shares? She bought the shares at market value, which is 80 rupees. But after a year she is selling the shares at 90 rupees each. But do you know how many number of shares she has, right? So let us first find like how many are the total number of shares she has. The number of shares is equal to investment upon market value, which is 19,200 divided by 80. So I just have to cancel this 0 0, 8 1s are 8 2s are 16, 32, 8 4s are 32, 0. So she had 240 shares she had bought, right, by investing 19,200. But after a year what she is doing? She is selling this 240 shares at 90 rupees each. Students, when you sell something, you get money back, right? You get the money, right? So here your sell proceed means when you sell something, you are getting that money. That getting money is called as sale, because you have sold it, you got the money. And this money you will be doing the investment into the second part, means second shares. You're going to buy something else also by using this money, right? So sale proceeds. So how are you going to find the sale proceeds? You are going to find the sale proceeds, which will be number of shares into price at which it is sold. The 240 shares she had into 90 rupees. So this comes to 0 0 and 9 to the 18. So 21,600 she gets money back, right? So this sale proceeds. Okay, so this is sale proceeds in which you sold the shares at 90 rupees each and you got this money. And this money you will be using as an investment to buy the second part of the shares, right? But in this question they have also told you to find the income of the first part, right? So dividend for the first year. Dividend means you have to find the income. So what is your dividend ka formula, which is your income? Income is equal to number of shares into face value into dividend percent upon 100. Okay. So this is going to give you number of shares are 240, face value is 100, and dividend percent is 15%, whole divided by 100. So this 0 0 gets cut. So your income of the first part, your income is 15 zeros are 15 fours are is 60 and 15 twos are. So it is 3,600 is your income of the first part, right? Now students, the sale proceed is a very important. Now over here, 2,16,000. Okay, sorry, 21,600 is your investment in the second part. So in your second part, now this was my first part, and now I'll be having my second part. In your second part, your investment will be your 21,600. Correct. Again, what else they have given you? She is doing the sell proceeds. Okay. After a year, she is selling the shares at 90 rupees each and invested the proceeds, including the dividend. Right. So here your income was your 3,600. So investment will be 21,600 plus 3,600. So your total investment in the second part will be 0, 0, 6, 6, 12, 5. So it will be 25,200. Okay, so students, so your total investment will be 25,200. So this is your second part, because what they have told you that you have to sell those shares, the previous shares, including the dividend will be your sale proceeds of the second part. So this is your investment in the second part. Again, what else they have given you? It is given like the sale proceeds in 20%. So your dividend percent in the second part is 20%. Okay, rupees 50 shares. So face value is 50 rupees. Correct. And at rupees 42. So that person, like the Mrs. Chandra, she is buying the shares at market value 42 rupees. Correct. So this is your second part. Now in the second part also we have to find the annual income of the second part. Now how will get the number of shares? Again the same way. Number of shares is equal to investment. So this is my investment, 2,52,000. Sorry, 25,200 upon 42. Right. So I have to divide this. So students, over here number of shares we have is, like if I divide this, I'll get my number of shares as 600. So in the second part, she has bought 600 shares. And again, I have to find the income. So what is my income formula? Income is equal to number of shares into face value into dividend percent upon 100, right? So number of shares are 100. Face value in the second part is 50. And dividend percent is 20 rupees, 20%, whole divided by 100. Okay, so if I do the calculation over here, so my answer, the income of the second part is 6,000. So in this way I get my answer. So students, very important is your sale proceeds. So just remember like how the sale proceed has been done. The first part, how many shares she had with her. She sold the shares at some price. She got that money back. In this question, they have told the sale proceeds, including her dividend, is done as an investment into the second part. So this is your investment into the second part. You have the investment, you have the market value, you get the number of shares, and then you can find the income too, the second part ka income, right? So in this way we solve the sale proceeds questions, right? Thank you.